Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Not really any changes. I just had to adjust here slightly the lower level wave count down here. So basically you could say in line with expectation, we are still moving lower. We talked in the previous video about that there would be another wave 4 to the upside. I think another correction and at least one more wave down afterwards. Now at the moment what I can summarize is there is certainly no sign that the low is in. We always, we need to wait for a signal. We are at a point where we just need to wait for a signal. But I think it's not going to finish this without one more leg down at least. It could also be, I could add another 1-2 setup in here if I wanted to and get rid of the triangle which I have, because at the moment I've got this as a all of that as an ending diagonal, which I think makes sense because it is moving down, well, in diagonal fashion. So I've got the wave 1 as an ABC, the wave 2, the wave 3, which I think we've only now got complete. But depending on how I interpret this, I could also say here we had here an ABC. So I have another 1-2 setup. But it doesn't really make a great difference here, I think we're now in a wave 4 retracement. Retracements don't always work that well in diagonal patterns, but certainly we've got the first key resistance, I would say here around 483. So I would be looking at that one. You could say the very first resistance is about where the previous wave 4 high is, which is here. But certainly I think it should adhere to the fib levels and ideally reach at least the first one at 483. Getting above that would take us out of the channel. I'm not sure, but it did that before here with a fake out. So I think we are now looking here at a retracement, but we're just below resistance. If we can break above 460, it could take us to 483, the 23.6% fib level. From what I see at the moment, I would expect at the latest here actually a turnaround. Maybe it will move all the way up to the channel. We can't rule that out. Again, it's on a very, very short time frame. Now an uptrend and there's no sign of stopping. But if we look at this, doing a bit of micro counting, this could be a 1-2 setup here a wave 3, then a 4 and a 5. That could form then, if I really do a bit of micro counting, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna make that white. That's pure speculation at this stage. It's really micro counting. And then here, that could be an A wave, come down in B, move up in C, and that would move, finish off the wave 4 basically, before we then come down in a wave 5. Because the wave A would usually be a 5-wave move. It can be a 3-wave move as well. That would be an even clearer picture. If we now break down without putting one more leg up in above 454, then it's probably here just an A wave, then a B wave, and the C wave afterwards. But yeah, the bearish outlook unfortunately still is there, and I think in the last video we calculated a possible target for DOT for the way down at around 330. Let's see if we really get there. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.